Hello kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever seen colors dance across paper like magic? Get ready for some splashy surprises, because today, we're diving into the wonderful world of watercolor fun.
Whoa, look at that sky. It's like someone spilled blue paint on a cotton cloud.
You know what this reminds me of? Wet on wet painting. That's when the paper's already wet before the color touches it.
It's like painting into a puddle. The colors just swirl and dance, like they're playing tag in the sky.
I once imagined painting a jellyfish like that. Its body just melted into the ocean water. Blobby, floaty, wiggly, just like real ones.
Wet on wet is perfect for cloudy skies, rainy windows, or a dreamy underwater world.
You don't even need to make perfect shapes. Just wet the paper and let the colors go for a swim. They mix on their own, like orange dancing with purple.
But if you want clean shapes and sharper lines, like a house or a rainbow, you need something else.
That's wet on dry. It means your paper is dry when you paint on it.
So the color stays exactly where your brush goes, like a marker, but softer. You can paint like windows, tiny stars, or a zigzag tail on a dragon.
Sometimes, we even do both. First, if I paint a soft background using wet on wet, then let it dry, and add details on top with wet on dry.
That's how I made a snowy mountain with a penguin wearing sunglasses. The snow was soft and cloudy, and the penguin? Sharp and cool like a movie star.
Sir Flippers. He even had a bow tie. Wet on wet is like the wind, flowy and free. Wet on dry is like the rocks, steady and strong. But when you use them together, it's like the sky doing ballet on top of a mountain.
Painting with watercolors isn't just using colors, it's choosing how they dance on the page.
Now it's the time for quiz. What happens when you use the wet on wet watercolor technique? Option A. The colors stay in one spot and don't mix. Option B. The paint spreads and blends softly into other wet areas. Think of what happens when paint touches already wet paper. Option B is correct. The paint spreads and blends softly into other wet areas. Which picture shows wet on wet painting? Option A, a picture where colors are flowing into each other. Option B, a picture with sharp, clean shapes and hard edges. Excellent. Option A is correct. Wet on wet makes soft edges and mixing colors. Which image shows a wet on dry watercolor technique? Option A, a picture of a sun with very sharp yellow rays on dry blue sky. Option B, a picture where colors blend like a rainbow splash. Good job! Option A is correct. Wood on dry keeps your shapes and edges clear. Wood on wet watercolor is used to make perfect, sharp shapes. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Wood on dry means you paint on dry paper using wet paint. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be mixing colors like clouds in the sky. Get your brushes ready! Until then, take a look around. Trees, flowers, even bugs might be hiding your next big art idea. See you soon! Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.